Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ruby. So today I use the new JACLYN HILL and Morphe Volume 2 palette, and this is what I came up with. It's very colorful, very fun. So if you're interested in how I did it, just keep on watching. I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I've primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium, and I'm setting it now with the Lauder Mercier translucent powder. If you guys like to see an eyebrow tutorial, just comment down below and I'll get one up for you guys. So like I said, today we're going to use the JACLYN HILL and Morphe Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to take this orange color and Feel in Myself, it's what it's called, and I'm just going to pack that in the crease and build the color up to my liking. Now I'm going to take the yellow shade called No Joke, and I'm going to place it directly above the orange and kind of blend it out. I'm taking the shade Oh Hello, which is kind of like a purpley red color, and I'm going to place that in the outer corner of my eye and in my crease area to kind of give the look some dimension. I'm just going to be packing it on until I get the color that I like. So I'm going to go back in with the orange and yellow colors because I kind of lost some of it with the darker shade. So I'm just going to place it above that dark shade with the same brushes I used to apply them. Now I'm going to go in with this purple shade named Not My Journey and place that again in the outer corner and a little bit in my crease area. Now I'm going to take this clean fluffy brush and kind of blend all the colors together. And again, I'm going back in with the shade No Joke, which is the yellow shade, and placing that above everything to get some of that color back into the look. Because we're doing a cut crease, I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe and kind of take some of the color off my eyelid, so when I put the concealer doesn't mix with the colors, because I want a nice clean base for the lid shade I'll be using. I have no idea if any of that made sense. I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium to cut the crease, and guys, it does take longer than what you guys are seeing. I fast forwarded the clip and I even cut some of the clips out. But you have to really take your time with cut creases if you want a nice, clean, sharp crease. So I'm going to be taking this shade in Get Ready With Me. It's a nice shimmer shade. I'm going to be placing that everywhere where I placed the concealer, and then I'm going to go in with the brush to kind of get closer to the edges there. Now I'm going to go in back with that purple shade in the name Not My Journey and kind of blend it in with the shimmer shade. Gonna go back in with that fluffy brush just to blend everything together again. I'm taking a makeup wipe to kind of clean up the edges here. Now I'm gonna go in with my OG liquid liner. It's from WetNWild. It's called the megaliner, and do a wing liner with that. You want to make sure that you're getting very close to the lash line with the liquid liner, especially if you're going to wear falsies, just so you don't see any spaces between your real lashes and the falsies. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, but you can use any mascara, to coat my lashes and get them ready for falsies. So I really love these lashes that I used on my last video, the Winter Kiss lashes from Jlashes. So I'm going to be using those again. Now moving on to the face, I'm taking the Benefit Poreless primer. Can't get the words out of my mouth. And I'm just going to place that all over my T-zone, and whatever's left over I go around my face. Now I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It's my favorite high-end foundation. I think it's the only high-end foundation that I own, to be honest. While I was dotting the foundation on my face, I realized I didn't use my orange concealer for my under eyes, so I went back and did that. Again, back with the foundation, I'm just going to take the rest of that and dot it all over my face. And I'm going to take the Real Technique sponge and blend that all into my skin. Going in with a small brush, I'm kind of putting the foundation in the places that I couldn't get to with the sponge, and then I go back in with the sponge and kind of blend it all out. Going in with a Tarte Shape Concealer in medium, putting that in my T-zone and under my eyes to kind of highlight my face a little bit. And using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to go ahead and set all the places where I put the concealer. So I'm going to use this 8H Morphe palette. It's a contour and highlight palette. Yes, it's beat up, but so what? Who cares? It still works. So I'm going to use these two colors, put them right under my cheekbones, around my forehead, and on my jawline to kind of bring some color back into my face. And I really don't contour my nose. I just use whatever's left on the brush and kind of go around my nose. For blush, I'm using the Milani, God, why can't I speak? Milani blush in Tea Rose, and placing that in the apples of my cheeks. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder and using a fluffy powder brush and setting everything in place. Then going in with the Morphe setting spray, for the same reason, to set everything in place. And I like to use a sponge to kind of just push all that in, make sure it stays. For highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold, placing that on my cheekbones and my Cupid's bow. And to finish up my eyes, I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm using the color Feeling Myself, which was the orange shade, and the darker it was red and purple shadow in Oh Hello. Just gonna blend that out in my lower lash line and kind of smoke it out. So I'm going to coat my bottom lashes with some mascara, and of course I got some on my nose. Who else hates that? So I just let it be for now and I continue working. So I moved on to my lips. I used the NYX lip liner in Los Angeles and kind of lined my lips, and then I go in with an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick and Verona. Once the mascara dried on my nose, I go in with the clean spoolie and kind of try to flake it off. And then whatever doesn't come off, I just go in with a little bit of foundation and go back in with a little bit of powder and set it in place, and it's like it never happened. Alright guys, that is it for this look. I've actually never played with as much color as I have since I started this channel, and honestly I loved creating this look, so I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!